Hey everyone! Chef Oswald here today to share with you an amazing recipe for vegan spinach and mushroom pot pie. This vegan pot pie is a delightful and hearty option for those seeking a meatless alternative, best served with a side of fresh salad for a complete meal. Let's take a look at what you'll need to make this pot pie. Firstly, let's prepare our puff pastry. Start by chilling the vegan margarine in the refrigerator until it's nice and cold. Also, place water in a glass with ice cubes to keep it chilled. In a large bowl, sift the all-purpose flour and add the cold vegan margarine cubes to the flour. Using your fingertips, mix the margarine with the flour until you get a coarse mixture with pea-sized margarine pieces. Gradually add the cold water, mixing gently until the dough starts to form. Now, transfer the dough to a floured surface and shape it into a ball. Make a cross cut on the top and let the dough rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes wrapped in plastic wrap. Take it out of the fridge, roll out the dough into a rectangle, and fold it in 3 parts like folding a letter. Rotate the dough 90 degrees and repeat the process of rolling and folding. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it rest for another 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Repeat the folding process 2 more times, allowing the dough to rest between each time. Patience is the key to success with this puff pastry. Now, let's move on to our pot pie. Start by preheating the oven and sautéing garlic and onion in a skillet. Add mushrooms and spinach, cooking until the spinach wilts. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle flour over the vegetables and stir well to incorporate. Gradually pour in the plant-based milk, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Cook until thickened. Add the nutritional yeast, and there you have it. Your filling is ready for this vegan delight. Now, let's assemble our pot pie. Roll out the vegan puff pastry on a floured surface. Line the bottom of a greased pan with the pastry, leaving the edges hanging over. Pour the mushroom and spinach filling over the pastry. Cover the filling with another layer of puff pastry. Fold the edges of the pastry to seal. Before baking, make a few small cuts on the top of the pastry to allow steam to escape during baking. Now, just bake for about 30 minutes or until the pastry is golden and crispy. And there you have it. Let it cool for a few minutes before cutting, but serve it while it's still warm. How about that? Did you like it? If you did, show your appreciation with a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share it with everyone who needs to discover this fantastic vegan pot pie recipe. Sending you a big hug from Chef Oswald. Thanks.